Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Ryobi deals, green only, so green tools only for today, so Ryobi only. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, as you guys know, we are making tool brand specific videos, so only one tool brand per video. That's today's Ryobi, so be sure to check out all my other videos. I will try to link them up above for the other tool brands from Home Depot. Don't forget to help out the channel, and let's go ahead and get started. So we got Ryobi Oneplus. So we got some chemical nozzle kit there for 49 bucks. This is a very interesting device here. Basically, you can attach it to a power cleaner and you get a chemical nozzle kit. So it's basically like a sprayer, like a really fine sprayer, like a mist. It just says quick 3 misting adapters. So you got 3 different ones: yellow, red, and orange. And then that's an example there how you can use it. And it says not included, so you have to buy that tool separate. Just the tips and all the, just basically the tips, the nozzle kit. That's how it is. The red and the orange and the yellow there. So you guys see high, medium, and low. It says 3 adapter. That's pretty much what's included. And then you got a hose there, so you can use some chemical containers. And then as you guys see there, that's the power cleaner there for $79.97. Then you got the 4 amp hour battery starter kit right there. That's the new 4 amp hour battery, if you guys see. And then you get a 30-minute charger with this kit. So it's an okay deal. I mean, it's not the best deal. I've seen better, but it's an okay deal. That's the power cleaner there. This is the tool only. So then again, this is for somebody that's already in the Ryobi platform, because you're going to be spending so much on batteries and chargers and stuff like that. So $119 for the cordless string trimmer edger blower kit. $119 for, basically these are DIY, smaller yard type of thing. This is not for a medium yard, a normal yard. This is way too small for a normal yard. So this is for a small yard, maybe a condo. You got a small, 4x4 or 6x6, patio, or with some grass and stuff like that. So this is pretty much what it's meant for. As you guys see, it's 200 CFM. 200 CFM is not a lot. And then this string trimmer is only a 10-incher, so it's really small. And then you got the replacement spools here at $19.97 for both of these. You got 0.065 and 0.080. So just depending on your model, that's whichever one you're going to need. I personally like to refill my own spools. I don't like to buy them, and because I think it's just a waste of money. I personally just buy the big bulk and just wind them myself. That's the blue one there. That's the smaller one. So according to your string trimmer, that's, and it's your preference, because some people don't like doing that or don't know how to do it. So $129 for the cooling jet blower. You gotta use it. You gotta look at the CFM. 280 CFM, like I said, it's not a lot. As you guys did see on the other blower, pretty much you went from 200 to 280 CFM. It does include a 4 amp hour battery and a charger. Like I said, this is for small yards here. You got a 10-inch cordless chainsaw from Ryobi. And this is from the regular 18 volts plus. And you do get a 1.5 amp hour battery and a charger with the 3-year warranty. So it's not a little bad deal there for $129. And then we got another string trimmer, $69.97. Like I said, this is a really basic string trimmer. So for a small yard, as you guys see, it says a battery and charger included, and it is only a 10-inch string trimmer. Not a lot of power, not as big as a normal string trimmer like a gas. Like I said, this is small duty use type. And if this is all the money you have, if this is what you want to get, you guys, it'll work fine. It's just gonna take you longer. Here's a twin pack for $79.97. 4 amp hour batteries, and then you got a blower here for $149. This is you're gonna get into the much bigger blowers here, 350 CFM, which is getting a little better there. $269 for the mower, $199 for the brushless drill driver and impact. That's the blower kit there, so you guys see. $149 there. And then you got this smaller blower here, 200 CFM, which is this was included on that kit, $59.97. So then again, if you buy that combo pack, it's gonna, you're probably gonna end up saving a little bit more. You got a pre-cut trimmer line for then you got the drill driver for $159. It is the new ones, the HP with the new batteries, new compact design batteries. And then you got drill driver and impact driver for $199. It did go up in price. We used to see this on the holidays for $139. It just barely went up in price this month. So I would definitely wait for a sale if you're interested in this line. Otherwise, I will look for somewhere else. Well, actually, these are the ones that went from $139 to $179. $269 for the push mower. As you guys see there, it does include two batteries. It's a 16-inch and a charger. So you guys see there, 4 amp hour batteries. That's a good deal. Like I said, a small yard, that should definitely help you out. Got a 13-inch string trimmer for $149. So it says motor performance. And then you got a 40 volt for $119. It's a 24-inch edge trimmer. I got the 18 volts trimmer like that. Works really good. You got a 40 volt cordless string trimmer and a jet fan blower for $229. So then again, like I said, this is going to get into the bigger. So I would definitely check it out. This is 525 CFM and this is a 15-inch string trimmer. So this is definitely going to help you out with a medium-sized yard. And then you got a chainsaw. It says gas-like power. 14-inch chainsaw, 40 volts. It says 4 amp hour battery and charger included. So $199 for this kit. $159 just for the jet fan blower by itself, which is a good deal. It's 525 CFM, 110 miles per hour. And then you got the replacement pre-cut line, .095 for $13.97, or you got the .080. You got a 40 volt 15-inch string trimmer, tool only, I believe, $159. As you guys see there. Actually, I think it's a charger. Yeah, it does include the battery and the charger, so 4 amp hour battery and charger. It's just a tool by itself, with the battery and charger, basically. You got a pressure washer hose, 35 feet, $39.97. Looks like a good quality pressure washer hose here. I personally bought the cheaper version of this, so I might later on, if that one breaks, I'll probably just move on to something like this with a little better quality here. And that's the surface cleaner, 15-inch, $69.97. And then you got the electric pressure washer, 1600 psi, $99. I do have this one. It works really well, especially for washing cars, small projects and stuff like that. I even use a foam cannon with mine and it works really well. So $149 for this other pressure washer, 1900, 1.2 gallons per minute. So it's compact and durable design. It is pretty small. These are pretty much smaller pressure washers. And then you get into your gas here, 2,900 psi for 2.5 gallons per minute. I personally do not like gas pressure washers. I do not like dealing with gas and having trouble starting them, and then you're gonna have all this maintenance to go through. I personally like electric. So you got a 2,000 psi, 3 years of warranty, and it does include all these items here: a wand, a hose, the pressure washer, and then. So this is a new one that they just came out this year, I believe. So be sure to, if this is what you're looking for, be sure to check that out. This is one of the most powerful electric ones that they have. So be sure to check it out. So 2000 psi cold water electric pressure washer for $199. And then we have the same ones, $149 and $99. So these are the lower grades. And then we got the power tools here. They got the new Ryobi HP. So there's a lot of new HP tools. Well, not recently, but within a few months here. $99 for a drill driver kit. And then you got drill driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw and a light. Couple batteries for $199. Then you got a twin pack of 4 amp hour batteries there, and then you got the impact wrench, a ½ inch for $99. That's the kit. Then you got the ratchet for $89. That's the kit with the battery and the charger. And then you got the circular saw, and you got the drill driver for $99 with the battery and charger in the bag. Drill driver and impact driver for $129. I believe those are all brushed units. You got a speaker there for $79. Then you got drill driver and impact driver HP for $179, which is brushless. You got a bigger kit there for $299. It's a 6-piece combo kit, 18 bolts. It's a great combo kit for a DIY. I would definitely wait for a sale on that one if you're getting something for free. I don't believe there's a sale on, maybe online there's a sale, but not in the store. You got the HP one-handed reciprocating saw, and you got the impact driver with the battery or drill driver. And they had this one in clearance for $29.97, the hybrid floor dryer. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.